Visit the official website and download the computer software from the URL. After successful download, you will see a compressed file. Right-click and extract it. After successful decompression, the software program will be visible on the desktop. Clicking the icon will bring up the installation window. Click Next. Here you can choose the software installation location yourself. After making your selection, click Next. The next step is to wait for the progress bar to show 100% installation complete. After installation, you can find the software icon MISSYOU on your desktop. Double-click the left mouse button to launch the software. Click the first icon, Control Devices. Click on the pop-up Operation Software page, Export. Find the video or image you need to convert in the new window. A new window will pop up. The white circle in the window represents the fan's display area. You can adjust the size of the footage by scrolling the mouse wheel. Next, select the fan model. Choose Generic Device. Select Single in Plane. Splicing is used when splicing multiple fans together. The Select File button allows you to change the content to be converted. The Select File button allows you to change the content to be converted. The pop-up window is for selecting the save location for the converted file. After clicking Confirm, wait for the progress bar at the bottom to reach 100%. Next, locate the successfully converted file, which is in FTLV format. Right-click, select Copy, and paste it to the fan's memory card to play.